Now we are going for chapter 6. I just skipped the chapter 5.6 because probably we need to do this at class, in the class. So we will talk about it next class, next Friday. Okay. Chapter 6 is about estimation. Estimation means we don't know the population information, but if we have sample, then the sample has very similar with the population characteristics. So using sample information, we want to guess the population characteristics. Mostly we want to know the mean and standard deviation, but mostly you want to be wrong. So usually you are using some range, so you want kind of feel safe when you're saying, well, this is the true mean or something like that. So for that, mostly we are using the confidence interval. That is the main contents we have to learn from the chapter 6. And chapter 6.2 is about the confidence interval for the normal mean. So let's look at the example 6.2.2. Same thing. I mean, this kind of thing is first job you have to do is set up your variable. So in here, from the question, you're saying maximal strength of a particular muscle of the healthy man, maybe or a certain group of the individuals. And the researcher is just want to assume the strength scores approximating normal distribution, and the variance is 145, and he just sampled 15 subjects and he got the mean of the sample is 84.3. Okay, so from the chapter 5 we know if the population follow approximating normal with the mean and standard deviation. Actually this here we have sigma squared, the variance, but maybe we can just change it as a standard deviation. And then the question is, what is the 99% confidence interval for X bar 84.3? Okay, so if that the population is normally distribution with mean and any some standard deviation is true, that is our assumption actually. That assumption, without that assumption we cannot do anything. Okay, that is the most important assumption for to solve this question. Then we know sample mean should follow normal distribution, and the mean of the sample mean should follow is the same with the population mean, and the standard of deviation of the sample mean should be standard deviation of the population divided by square root of the sample size.